In this quick video, I will show you how to easily decrease the size of your open position on Bitget. If you want to create an account and get the best sign-up bonus possible on Bitget, you simply have to go down to the video description, click on the link, you will get to exactly this page right here, and you can get up to $8,000 of sign-up bonus. Depending on how much you deposit and trade, you can receive all of these nice bonuses. Before starting out, I also wanted to quickly mention that you can try out the entire platform up here with the so-called demo trading feature. So before using your real money, I highly recommend you to check out that first. When you're signing up with the link from the description, you will also automatically get demo funds that you can use to try out the platform. So as you can see, I currently have my long position opened right here with around about $2,000 of a position size. And I now want to close some of this position. So I can just go in here and go to close, but I don't need to close the entire position, but I can just choose how much percent of the trade I want to close, or also type it in here, either in USDT from here, or I can also type it in BTC. So I'm just going to show you quantity BTC, click on confirm. It's at 0.019 BTC. So let's say I want to close 0.009, click on close long right here, confirm, and as you can see, my position is now down to 0.01 or $1,000. So that's I can easily take money out of this position and close small parts to decrease the position size. If you also want to know how to decrease the leverage, so this right here on an existing trade, I have another video on that on my channel. Don't forget to create an account on Bitget by using the link down from the video description to get the best sign-up bonus possible, which is up to $8,000 of bonuses. Once you clicked on the link, you will get to this page. You can enter your details and start right away. If you have any other questions, always feel free to ask them in the comments.